Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Today we're going to talk about adding integers. So what I want you to know from today's lesson is how to add integers. And sometimes you find the sum where you add them, and sometimes you find the difference when you subtract them. And you got to know when to do which one. So here's a little saying that I have: if you have the same sign, find the sum, which means you add. And if you got different signs, find the difference, which means you subtract. Okay, so let's take a look at a few examples. And instead of using the calculator, we're going to use this addition table to solve these. Alright, so here I have 6 plus a negative 2. The 6 is positive, the 2 is negative. They're not the same signs, they're different signs. So we're going to find the difference, which means we subtract. So when we subtract, this is what you want to do. You want to take the larger number or the smallest number, find that on your chart, go down to where you find the bigger number, and then go to the left, and you'll get 4. So the answer is going to be 4. And since the 6 is bigger, we're going to leave it positive. Alright, let's take a look at number 2. Now number 2, you have the same sign. They both have the same sign. So we're going to find the sum. So we're going to take the negative 4 plus negative 4, and we're going to add them together. And on this one, we're adding, we're just going to say 4 and 4 and see where they meet at. In this case, they meet here at the middle. You get 8. Since they're both negative, we keep it negative. Alright, let's look at number 3. On number 3, we've got different signs, so we find the difference, which means we're going to subtract. We're going to start here at 1, go all the way down to 2, and then go over to 1. And since the 2 is larger than the 1, absolute value-wise, we're going to make it negative. Alright, let's take a look at a few more examples. Okay, now on this one we're going to use the same rules. We've got 8 plus a negative 1. They're different signs, so we find the difference. So we're going to go to 1, go all the way down to 8, and then go to the left, and the answer is 7. And since 8 is bigger, we leave it positive. Okay. On number 5, we've got the same sign, so we find the sum. We got 3 plus 7. We come all the way down and it's 10. And since they're both negative, we leave it negative. Okay, on number 6, different signs, find the difference. We're going to have 8 minus 2. Take 2, go all the way down to 8, and we see it's 6. And since the 8 is bigger, we go with negative. And that's it. That is adding integers. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.